In this session, let us learn about HTML styles. HTML styles. The HTML style attribute is used to add styles to an element such as color, font, size and more. See the example: doc type HTML body, P paragraph I am normal, C P style is equal to color green, P style is equal to color orange, P style font size 50 pixels. See here, I am normal, I am green, I am orange. See, I am big. The result returns this. The HTML style attribute. Setting the style of an HTML element can be done with the style attribute. The HTML style attribute has the following syntax: tag name style is equal to property value. The property is a CSS property. The value is a CSS value. You will learn more about CSS later in this tutorial. Background color. The CSS background color property defines the background color for an HTML element. See the example: set the background color for a page to light golden orange red. See here, doc type body style background color light golden rod yellow. See here, this is heading, is paragraph. See, you can find here light yellow color in background. See another example: set background color for two different elements. See here, HTML style background color light golden rod yellow is a heading. Heading has some other color, and the background color orange is a paragraph at some other color, orange color. Text color. The CSS color property defines the text color for an HTML element. See here, H1 style color green is heading, and style paragraph is called color orange. See, heading was green and the paragraph is in orange color. Fonts. The CSS fonts family property defines the font to be used for an HTML element. See here example and result. The code style font family Verdana is a heading. P style font family career is a paragraph. See here, you can find two different fonts, the heading and paragraph in the different fonts. Text size. The CSS font size property defines the text size for an HTML element. See here, we can also define text size. See here, font size is 200% and the paragraph font size is 120%. See here, you can find two different sizes of the fonts, heading and paragraph. Text alignment. The CSS text align property defines the horizontal text alignment for an HTML element. See the example here. See the style text align center heading, paragraph the text align center paragraph. See here, we can find both heading and paragraph in center position. Chapter summary. Use the style attribute for styling HTML elements. Use background color for background color. Use color for text colors. Use font family for text fonts. Use font size for text sizes. Use text align for text alignment. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 8, HTML styles. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML formatting. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.